Feels like we haven't worked for a while. What is it? 22nd today? 23rd of April. Nothing wrong with this furnace, other than it looks expensive to fix. It's a 2-stage, 80% Bryant Carrier model from my favorite furnace, actually, except for a 2-stage is a little bit more than you need in an 80%er. Well, we got a 60,000 here. We're putting in a 66 single stage, the newest model of what's standing here. Basically what took its place. The N80 ESN is what we're putting in. Anyway, we got a little chimney to fire stop here. We got a little, oh, my brother's calling. Very often we can't get our screws out of the plenum. But we got one back here. It's a real mess. And then look at this mess here. They got no hanger in the plenum. The main duct isn't even connected. Some sort of tape on there. This thing is falling off, never was connected. We're going to have to hack a hole in the front of this thing to even think about getting all that put back together. So we might as well do that now so we can get our last screw out of the back of this mess here. I bet that there is blowing good too. That just looks like a real nice sealed up joint right there. And look at this here. This looks fabulous. I mean, really, who was working on this? This is unbelievable. Okay, this is the last guy's idea of hooking this duct up. Let's see what he's got going here. Oh yeah, that looks nice. That's beautiful. Yeah, this looks real good down here too. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's only an inch off front to back. We'll just have to put some more tape on it like the genius did before me. Yeah, so this makes no sense. They extended this by 1.5 inches, whatever that is, and that pushed everything off up here. Can't imagine who did what. So I made this little thing. I'm just going to screw that in there. It'll be one step better than what they had with that tape that was falling off. And I'm not quite sure what to do with this register, but we'll figure it out. Corey's over here cutting a hole. You're not screwing that on. Is it going to fit?
Why?
No, it ain't.
What do you mean it's not?
It ain't going to fit.
Why? Oh, I just screwed it too. Oh, shoot.
Alright, I got that piece screwed in up here. So, what did we lose? We lost 3 inches of our 8x8 duct because somebody did who knows what. Anyway, we're going to throw some silver tape on there. It'll be better than it was. Okay, we got the plenum on. Burner shoved in there. And Corey's screwing the boot on. It's kind of a tight little spot. Real mess. Fire stop's all done. We got all that plugged up. Okay, we just set the gas pressure down at 3.2 because our temp rise was a little high, but we're going to end up raising the fan speed a little bit just to get her to run cooler. Forgot to connect that pipe up. Oh. So I'm gonna get a piece of 5" over that 4.5 there and get that blown back in the den. And then we'll check our static pressure here once we get our gas, our manometer disconnected. Let that cool off, and then I'll open it up, change the fan speed, fire it back up, and check the. Actually, plug that hose on the manometer right now. Here, plug them on the manometer. I want to see it while the fan's running before we raise it. Right here.
Oh, plug that, you said?
Yeah, the manometer. Just shut off. Is that at 0? Okay, hurry up, put that other one on there. Sorry, crazy high, so raising the fan speed is probably not a good idea. It's already at 0.86.
Yeah, but we'd rather have.
So we added an 8" return through the wall here in the basement right off the drop. We went to merv, what's that filter? A merv 8?
Yep.
I think we went from a merv 11 to a merv 8. And our static dropped from almost 0.9 to 0.7. So still not our 0.5 we're looking for, but it's better than nothing. Yeah, so that's a wrap. They've been around quite a bit lately, and actually on the nest, which is very odd. Cucumber. mini cucumber action.